Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play good on low FPS Fortnite. First, let's dive into your in-game settings. You'll want to adjust your video options to prioritize performance. Consider setting your resolution to 1280 by 720 or even lower for a noticeable boost in frame rates. Also, make sure to disable VSync and motion blur. These can introduce input lag and make your game feel less responsive. Next, let's fine-tune your graphics. Set all visual quality presets to low or performance mode. This is crucial for maximizing your frames per second. Definitely turn off shadows and post-processing effects. These are often major resource hogs. Additionally, reducing your view distance to near or medium will significantly lessen the rendering load on your system, helping your game run much smoother. Beyond in-game settings, some system tweaks can make a big difference. Always close any unnecessary background applications before launching Fortnite. This frees up valuable system resources. It's also vital to ensure your graphics drivers are updated to their latest stable version for optimal performance. Finally, verifying your game files through the launcher can fix any corrupted data that might be hindering your frame rates. Even with low FPS, smart gameplay can lead to success. Focus on strategic positioning and try to avoid large, chaotic engagements where frame drops are more likely. Practice building simple, effective structures rather than attempting complex edits that can be difficult with lower responsiveness. Prioritize weapon accuracy and precise aim over rapid, uncontrolled firing, as every shot counts when your frames are limited.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.